How to get and enable the dark mode on MX Player app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to MX Player, as you can see right here. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner right here, click on those three lions, and now click on the second option, app theme, like this, and now click on the black here. Now as you can see, it's turned into the black mode easily. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.